Hello, this is Chris Roshnot 24K on Twitter. Today we're looking at the Choetech Braided USB Type A to USB Type C cabling. So braided means that the cable itself has an outer braided coating on them, and it looks like the base here is thicker with a hardened plastic and then metal here. So these cables should last quite a while. Actually, I've been using one of these cables with a Choetech battery for over a year on various travels here in the US, and the cable thankfully is still working, and it's exactly this cable here that is still working, and we're using it with a Android phone. So any device really that needs USB Type C cabling and you have a battery with a USB Type A port, this cable will work for that. These are braided and they come in varying lengths, so you have the longer lengths here and you have a shorter length here for use with a desktop charger or a battery that you keep in a travel bag. You can find these on Amazon, and I found the quality of these cables to work quite well and stand up to a lot of strenuous conditions at events and just daily use. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.